Hello viewers, it's me Shipra Gupta from St. Xavier's School, Hardoi. Once again I am here to teach you computer with a new topic, that is keyboard. But before starting the video, please subscribe our school channel and press the bell icon to get latest notification. And if you like my video, so please share it. Now move on the topic. Children, as I told you, in this chapter we are going to learn about keyboard. So let's start the topic. What is keyboard? Look at the children. This is a keyboard. Have you seen it? Yes, in your computer lab. Okay, so now children, what is keyboard? Children, as a pen or pencil help us to write in our notebook. In the same way, keyboard helps us to write on the computer. There are many small buttons called keys on the keyboard. See, so many small buttons are there, na? These buttons are called keys on the keyboard. These keys are marked letters, numbers, and symbols. There are 104 keys on the keyboard. Children, how many keys are there on the keyboard? There are 104 keys on the keyboard. Children, whatever we type using a keyboard is called a character. This may be a letter, S, M, N, any letter, number, any number 3, 5, 6, 2, 1 or any symbol like plus, minus, full stop, comma, at the rate, any symbol. It is called a character. Whatever we type, it is called a character. Okay, children. So, keyboard is a flat board with many keys on it. Are you getting, children? Once again, I am telling. Keyboard is a flat board with many keys on it. There are 104 keys on the keyboard. Okay, children? Now, look at the keyboard. See, there are 5 types of keys. 5 types of keys, children. The first, alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, function keys, and cursor keys. Cursor keys is also known as cursor control keys. Okay, children. So now in this chapter we are going to learn about these keys also. Okay, now move on. So the first key is alphabet keys. Look at the children. Look at these all are keys. Some letters are written over there, na? So many letters are written. Have you seen it? Yes, children. These are marked with the English alphabet from A to Z. A to Z? Have you remember A to Z? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, A to Z. So see, A to Z number are written over there on all the keys. So there are 26 alphabet keys from A to Z, but they are not given in order. See, these all are in alphabetical order. No, they are not given in order. Each alphabet key types a separate alphabet. Suppose that, children, if you want to write your name like Rohan, so what's the spelling of Rohan? R-O-H-A-N. So you have to press first letter R, then O, then H, then E, then N. In this way, you get your name Rohan, R-O-H-A-N. So children, in this way you can write your name on the computer with the help of alphabet keys. Okay, children. Now come on next key. That is number key. Look at the children. Children, look at the figure. There are 2 sets of number keys on the keyboard. Have you seen? One is present in a long bar and second in the here. So Number keys. The keys marked with numbers from 0 to 9 are called number keys. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So these are number keys. See, some numbers are written on the key now. That's why these keys are called number keys. Children, there are 10 number keys on the keyboard from 0 to 9. Okay. But the number keys are also placed at the right side of the keyboard, known as numeric keypad. Okay, children, this is a numeric keypad. And children, if you want to use this numeric keypad, so you have to switch the num lock light on. Okay, children, this num lock button, you have to press it, you have to keep it on. Okay, but if it is off, it's off. So this keys represents cursor movements keys. Are you getting, children? See, there are two sets of number keys on the keyboard. Number keys 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These keys are present in two sets. First, and at the top of the alphabet keys, and the second on the right side of the keyboard. There is a numeric keypad. It can be used to enter numeric data easily and quickly. Are you getting, children? Now move on. New. That is function keys. Children, there are 12 function keys on the keyboard. 12 function keys from F1 to F12. See the red bar is there. In this picture, red bar is covered some keys. So read it. F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. These all are functions keys. Each keys has its own work. Are you getting, children? These all our keys has own different works. Okay, children? So how many function keys are there on the keyboard? There are 12 function keys on the keyboard. 12 function keys from F1 to F12. Now come on the next key. Cursor key. Children, the next key is cursor key. This is the cursor key. Have you seen how many keys first counted? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the cursor keys are used for moving the cursor on the monitor. Once again I am telling, cursor keys are used to move the cursor on the monitor from one place to another place. The cursor can be moved in 4 directions. Look at the picture. The cursor can be moved in 4 directions. Left, right, up and down. Okay, children, the 4 keys are marked with arrows. See the arrows? All 4 keys marked with the arrows? Yes, the 4 keys are marked with arrows indicating the direction in which the cursor moves when the key is pressed. Means, children, if we press up arrow, so cursor move up. If we press left arrow, so cursor move left. If we press right arrow, cursor move right. And if we press down arrow, cursor move down. Okay, children? So in the simple way, we can say that cursor keys are used to move the cursor on the monitor. There are 4 cursor keys. And look at the children, arrows are represents here now on each keys. So that's why these keys are also known as arrow keys. Are you getting, children? Now, next, special key. Children, except these keys, there are some special keys also over there that plays a specific task. So now let's learn about these keys also. Space bar key. The space bar key is used to give space between the word. Are you getting, children? See, look at the picture. This is the space bar key. The long big key is known as space bar key. Children, this long key, it is a so big, so long key, na children? That's why it is called the biggest, longest key on the keyboard. So, this key is used to give space between words. It is the longest key on the keyboard and it looks like this. Have you seen now? This is a space bar key. Children, suppose that your name is Riya Sharma. So, if you want to write your name, so how you write? Riya Sharma. Tell me, how do you write? Riya Sharma. But you will not give any space. Okay. So how it's look? Dirty, na? So this key is used to give space between two words. Means Riya, then give space. Then you write Sharma. In this way, you can write your name in a proper manner. Are you getting, children? Yes. Now come on next key. That is delete key. The delete key is used to remove our mistakes. Look at here. Delete is already written over there. One key is there where delete is already written over there. So it is a delete key. So children, pressing this key erases any typed text on the right side of the cursor. Listen, children, very carefully. Pressing this key only erases any typed text on the right side of the cursor. For example, if you type computer, so what's the spelling of computer? Computer. But by mistake, you wrote TOR. So you need to correct the spelling now. So children, take the cursor just before O and press the delete key to erase O and then type E in its place. So you can correct the typing mistake. Are you getting, children? In this way you can correct your typing mistake. You keep the cursor in place of O. After that you press delete key. O remove. Then you type E over there and your mistake is going correct. Okay, children. So in this way you can see that delete keys works like an eraser. Are you getting, children? Now next key. That is backspace key. Backspace key is used as an eraser. Yes, children. One more key is also there on the keyboard that is used as an eraser. So this is the backspace key. See, the spelling is already written over there, backspace. So pressing this key erases any typed text on the left side of the cursor. For example, you write the spelling of computer now. So Computer. In place of TER, you wrote TOR. So to correct the spelling, take the cursor after the letter you want to delete or erase. After O, now press the backspace to erase O and then type E in its place. This way you can correct the spelling of the word to computer. Okay, children? Very good. Now, next. Enter key. Children, the next key is enter key. Look at here. This is a enter key. Enter key helps us to move the cursor to the next line. Children, look at this very nicely. This is a enter key. This is also present on the keyboard, and there are two enter keys on the keyboard. Okay, children. While typing, we can see a small blinking line on the screen. It shows where the next letter, number, or symbol will appear on the screen. This blinking line is called the cursor. Children, blinking line, whenever you're writing, you are typing anything on the keyboard, from the keyboard, one blinking line is appear on the screen. This blinking line is called the cursor. Okay, children, so enter keys helps us to move the cursor to the next line. It means if you want to complete your first line and you want to come to next line, so you press the enter key, immediately you come on next line. Okay, children, there are two enter keys on the keyboard. Don't forget it. How many keys are there on the keyboard? How many enter keys are there on the keyboard? There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Very good. Now, come on the next key. That is shift key. Children, shift key. Look at here. This is a shift key. Okay, children. See, spelling is also written over there. SHIFT. Easily you can recognize key. This is a shift key. So the shift key is used with other keys for different purpose. Children, this key is also very helpful and very important key of the keyboard. Now there are two shift keys on the keyboard. They both have the same function. The shift key is used with other keys for the different purpose. On the keyboard there are some keys. Children, listen it very carefully. On the keyboard there are some keys that have more than one symbol marked as them. Okay, so to type a special character, given on the upper half of a key, the shift key is used. Means, children, when you see the number keys 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, where these numbers are written over there, on the top of the numbers some symbols are also mentioned over there. So if you want to use these symbols, so first you have to press shift key, then you press that the particular symbol, so the symbol you can get on the screen. Okay, children. But children, shift key is also used for writing capital letter. How? Do you know? Okay, I will tell. First we press shift key, then we can type any letter, means A, C, D. Whatever letter we are going to press along with shift key, the letter appears in capital form, uppercase. Okay, children? Okay. So, children, first tell me, how many shift keys are there on the keyboard? There are two shift keys on the keyboard. Once again, there are two shift keys on the keyboard. They both have the same function. So, once again, the shift key is used with other keys for different purpose. But children, shift key is never used in single. Means, if I want to press number 1, so we have to press the number key where number 1 is written, and number 1 you get on your screen. But if you press shift key, nothing is show on your screen. If you want to use shift key, so along with shift key you have to press some other key. Okay. So in this way you can see that the shift key is used in combination with other keys. Okay children, shift key is used in combination with other keys. I hope you all are getting. Okay, now move on next. Next is caps lock key. Children, one more key is there. That is caps lock key. Look at here. This is a caps lock key. So children, caps lock key is used to type the capital letters. Whatever you want to type. Children, as I told you, in shift key. In shift key, you also, with the help of shift key, you can write capital letter. But in one more key is there on the keyboard, that is caps lock key. With the help of this key, you also can write the capital letters. Okay children, now listen to me very carefully. Children, when you press caps lock key for the first time, you can see a light on the top right corner of the keyboard. This is the on position. Children, when we press this click, one light is represented on the keyboard at the right side of the corner. It means this key is open. Okay, it means this is the on position. So now whatever letter you are going to write, you are going to type, it shows on capital letters on the monitor. Okay, whatever you write, whatever you type with caps lock key on, when caps lock key on, then whatever you type, it appear in capital letters on the monitor. But if you press it again, if you press caps lock key again, it gets off. When you press it again, so light gets off. The light gets off and the type letters start appearing in small letters on the monitor. When light is off, then whatever you are writing, whatever you are typing, it appears in small letters on the monitor. Are you getting children? Yes, so the main use of the caps lock key is type capital letters. Caps lock key is used to type capital letters. I hope children you all have learned about keyboard and its keys also. So now it's time to exercise. So children, read all the questions very carefully. Take the correct option. Question 1. Which key is used to give a space between words? Delete key, enter key, space bar key. Next question. How many functions keys are there on the keyboard? 12, 13 or 21? Question number 3. Which key is used to type from a new line? Caps lock key, enter key, shift key. The last question, that is 4th. Which of the following keys is used with other keys for different purposes? Backspace key, space bar key and shift keys. Tell me children. Now we will solve it. Which key is used to give a space between words? Delete key, enter key, space bar key. Which key? Space bar key. Very good. How many function keys are there on the keyboard? How many function keys? 12, 13 or 21? 12. Very good. Which key is used to type from a new line? If you want to come new line, I told you, no? So which key you use? Caps lock key, enter key or shift key? Which key? Enter key. Very good. Which key of the following keys is used with other keys for different purpose? Used with other keys. I told you, no, one key is there that is used with other keys. Which one? Tell me the name. Backspace key, space bar key or shift key? Shift key. Okay children, are you getting this exercise? So now come on, next exercise. That is, match the words given in column A with the pictures given in column B. Children, in column A, some keys are there. Okay, some name of the keys are there in column B. Symbol of keys are there. So you have to match the keys along with their symbols. So now start. First, alphabet keys. So where is alphabet keys? Match it. EB, where the press EB. These are alphabet keys. Number 2, special key. I told you some special keys. Enter key, delete key, space key, bar key, backspace key. Right now? So here see, enter and space bar keys shows over there now. So you match it with them. These all are special keys. Now function keys. Function keys, how many function keys? Yes, F1 to F12, 12 function keys are there. So you see F1, F2 is there now. So match with it. Very good. Now at the last, number keys. That you all know, I know children. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So you have to match it with numbers. In this way your work is complete. Very good. Now children, it's time to home assignment. So come and see what you have to do at your home. Children, listen. Who am I? One has been done for you. Number 1. I move the cursor around the screen. Tell me, who am I? Tell me which key move the cursor around the screen. That is arrow key. So the second question, I start a new line. So children, which key is used to start a new line? Tell me, think until enter key. So you have to write here enter key. Number 3, I give a space between words. So children, tell me which key is used to give a space between words. It's the longest key. Yes, space bar key. Very good. Now the last, I help to type capital letters. See, key helps to type capital letters. Which key helps to type capital letters? Think. Yes, caps lock key. Very good children. And if you write shift key, it's also right. No problem children. Okay children. So this assignment you have to do by own. So I hope you all have learned this chapter very nicely. So children, stay home, be safe and keep learning. Thanks for watching children. Bye.